Hello everyone. Today let's learn about mixtures and solutions. What is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. Its key points are: components retain their properties. They have no fixed composition. They can be separated by physical methods. Example: air, salt plus sand, and soil. There are two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture. They have no uniform composition. Example: salt water. Heterogeneous mixtures. They have non-uniform composition. Example: oil plus water. Homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the composition is uniform throughout and the individual components cannot be distinguished. Heterogeneous mixtures. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which composition is not uniform and the individual components can be clearly distinguished. Examples of mixture: water, cereal and milk, oil and water. Why mixtures matter? In everyday life, air, food, and beverages are all mixtures we use daily. In industry and manufacturing, used in making medicines, fuels, alloys, and chemicals. As environment importance, natural systems like air and water are mixtures essentials for life. Easy separation. Components can be separated when needed. Example: filtration and distillation. Custom properties. Mixtures allow us to combine substances to get desired properties. Now let's learn what solutions are. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Components: solute is a substance being dissolved and solvent is a substance that is dissolved. Example: salt plus water. Salt is the solute and water is the solvent. Types of solution. Types are based on the state. Solid in liquid. Example: salt in water. Liquid in liquid. Example: alcohol in water. Gas in liquid. Example: CO2 in soda. Components of a solution. There are two components of a solution: solvent and solute. Solvent is a substance that dissolves solute, and solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solution. Examples of solution: salt water, sugar water, and air, which is a gas mixture. Concentration of solution. The amount of solute in a given amount of solution is the concentration of a solution. Formulas: concentration equals to amount of solution divided by volume of solution. Another formula: percentage by mass equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Factors affecting solubility. There are different types of factors that affect solubility, like temperature, pressure, which is important for gases, and nature of solute and solvent. Example: sugar dissolves faster in hot water. Methods of separation. There are different methods of separation we use in daily life. Some of the techniques are filtration, evaporation, distillation, and chromatography. Let's learn more about each one of these. Filtration. Filtration is a method used to separate insoluble solid particles from a liquid using a filter. Example: separating sand from water, filtering tea leaves, purifying drinking water using filter paper. Evaporation. Evaporation is a method used to separate a dissolved solid from a liquid by heating the liquid until it vaporizes. Example: obtaining salt from seawater, drying wet clothes, making sugar crystals from solution. Distillation. Distillation is a method used to separate components of a liquid mixture based on their different boiling points. Example: separating alcohol from water, purifying water from impurities, obtaining distilled water in laboratories. Chromatography. Chromatography is a method used to separate components of a mixture based on their different rate of movements. Examples: separating colors in ink, Identifying different pigments in plants. Testing food dyes. How do we use them? We use them to remove unwanted substances, which are impurities, to obtain useful components, to purify substances, to purify materials, and used in daily life, food and water, used in industries, petroleum, and medicine. Conclusion. Mixtures are physical combination of substances that can be separated easily. They are of two types: homogeneous, uniform, and heterogeneous, non-uniform mixtures. A solution is a special type of homogeneous mixture made of solute and solvent. The properties of mixture depend on their components and compositions. Different methods of separation, filtration, evaporation, distillation, and chromatography are used based on their physical properties. These techniques are important in daily life, industries, and scientific research. Thank you. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon for more notifications.